Before we dive in, kindly do us a favor by hitting the subscribe button, liking, and sharing this video. Welcome aboard, as we set sail on a journey of discovery into the vast and ever-evolving world of freight services. In this video, we will delve into the current trends transforming the courier, air, and sea freight services, with a special focus on air freight, which has been at the forefront of this dynamic industry. We'll explore the factors driving these trends, the challenges they present, and the innovative solutions being developed to overcome them. From the rise of e-commerce and the demand for faster deliveries to the impact of global events on freight costs and capacities, we'll leave no stone unturned. So sit back, relax, and join us as we navigate the complex currents of this fascinating industry. Now prepare to enhance your understanding of the dynamic world of freight services. To start off, we will delve into the realm of courier services. It's a dynamic industry that has been evolving rapidly, largely driven by the technological revolution, the increasing demand for quicker delivery times, and the shift towards sustainable practices. Firstly, the impact of technology cannot be overstated. From the use of advanced tracking systems to the integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning in logistics management, technology is at the heart of the transformation in courier services. It's not just about delivering parcels anymore. It's about delivering a seamless and efficient customer experience, enabled by cutting-edge technology. Moreover, the rise of e-commerce has led to an unprecedented surge in demand for faster delivery times. The concept of same-day delivery, or even 2-hour delivery, was almost unfathomable a few years ago. But today, it's a reality that consumers not only expect but demand. This has prompted courier companies to up their game, investing in infrastructure and technology to meet these expectations. Lastly, there's a noticeable shift towards greener practices in courier services. As environmental concerns continue to amplify, courier companies are taking steps to reduce their carbon footprint. This involves everything from using electric delivery vehicles to implementing route optimization algorithms that minimize fuel consumption. Some companies are even exploring the use of drones for delivering small packages, which could significantly cut down on emissions. In addition, the trend towards local sourcing is gaining traction. Instead of shipping goods from overseas, more and more businesses are opting to source locally, thus reducing the need for long-distance courier services. This not only helps in minimizing environmental impact, but also supports local economies. These trends are reshaping the courier industry, and it is exciting to see what the future holds. As technology continues to evolve, and as consumer demands and environmental concerns continue to shape the industry, courier services will undoubtedly emerge stronger, more efficient, and more sustainable than ever before. Next on our list is the air freight sector, a crucial component of global trade. This vibrant industry is in a constant state of flux, adapting to the changing tides of commerce and technology. One of the most significant trends shaping the air freight sector is the exponential rise in e-commerce. With the digital marketplace expanding at a breakneck pace, the demand for fast and reliable delivery services has skyrocketed. This has led to a significant increase in air freight volumes, as businesses and consumers alike seek quicker transit times for their goods. The ongoing global pandemic has also left its mark on the air freight industry, but not in the way you might think. While many sectors have faced severe disruptions, air freight services have been in high demand. With the disruption of sea shipping routes and the urgency of transporting medical supplies across borders, air freight has stepped up as a reliable and efficient solution. Moreover, the industry is not just reacting to changes but also driving innovation. One of the most exciting developments is the increased use of drones and other advanced technologies. Drones are not only faster but also more environmentally friendly and cost-effective than traditional methods. They can bypass traffic and geographical constraints, delivering goods to remote or congested areas with ease. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are also making their way into the air freight industry, enhancing operational efficiency and predictive capabilities. These technologies allow for real-time tracking, better route optimization, and predictive maintenance, leading to reduced costs and improved customer satisfaction. Lastly, the industry is also witnessing a growing emphasis on sustainability. From fuel-efficient aircraft to carbon offset programs, air freight companies are making concerted efforts to reduce their environmental footprint. This trend is not just good for the planet, but also for business, as an increasing number of customers prefer to patronize companies that prioritize sustainability. In conclusion, the air freight sector is on an upward trajectory, propelled by the surge in e-commerce, the challenges and opportunities presented by the pandemic, and the adoption of advanced technologies. Despite the obstacles, the industry is innovating and evolving, ready to meet the demands of the 21st century marketplace. With these trends, the sky indeed is the limit for the air freight industry. Now, let us set sail into the sea freight sector. As the winds of change continue to blow, the sea freight industry is navigating its way towards new horizons. One of the most prominent trends in this sector is the increasing use of digital platforms. From booking shipments to tracking them in real time, digital technology is revolutionizing sea freight services. It's all about speed, efficiency, and transparency. Instead of wading through piles of paperwork, shippers and freight forwarders can now manage their operations with a few clicks or swipes. But don't let the smooth sailing fool you. The sea freight industry faces its share of stormy weather, as global trade agreements can have a significant impact. Changes in tariffs and regulations, shifts in trade routes, and fluctuations in demand all play a crucial role in the ebb and flow of this industry. These factors are not only shaping the current state of sea freight services, but are also charting the course for the future. Now let's catch the wave of another significant trend: sustainability. The push for eco-friendly practices is making waves in the sea freight industry. From using low-sulfur fuel to reduce emissions to exploring alternative propulsion methods, such as wind or solar power, the industry is making strides in its journey towards sustainability. It's not just about going green, it's about ensuring the longevity of the industry and preserving our precious marine ecosystems. And let's not forget about the role of automation. The use of automated cranes and self-driving vehicles at ports is making the loading and unloading process more efficient. This trend is not only reducing operational costs but also improving safety standards. But as with any journey, the sea freight industry's voyage into the future is not without its challenges. Balancing efficiency with sustainability, navigating the complex waters of global trade, and embracing the digital revolution are all part of the journey. These trends are steering the course of the sea freight industry into uncharted waters. As we conclude, it's evident that the freight industry is undergoing significant transformations. The winds of change are blowing, reshaping the contours of courier, air, and sea freight services. Let's take a moment to revisit what we've covered today. Firstly, we dived into the world of courier services, where we observed a surge in demand driven by the rise of e-commerce. As online shopping becomes the norm, courier services are adapting to handle the increase in volume, while simultaneously striving to decrease delivery times. The integration of technology, such as real-time tracking and automated sorting, is becoming indispensable in meeting these challenges. Next, we soared high into the realm of air freight services. We saw that despite the turbulence caused by global events, the air freight market continues to demonstrate resilience. The focus is shifting towards more sustainable practices and the adoption of digital solutions to improve efficiency. Air freight services are not just about speed anymore, but also about adaptability and environmental responsibility. Then we sailed across the vast oceans of sea freight services. We discovered an industry grappling with complex challenges, from capacity constraints to environmental concerns. However, the industry is not just weathering the storm, it's learning to navigate through it. With the advent of larger, more efficient vessels and the exploration of alternative, cleaner fuels, sea freight services are charting a course towards a more sustainable future. Throughout this journey, one thing is clear: knowledge is power. In an industry as dynamic and complex as freight logistics, staying informed about these trends is no longer optional. It's a necessity. Whether you're a logistics professional or simply someone intrigued by the workings of global trade, understanding these trends can provide valuable insights into the future of the industry. So keep your eyes on the horizon and your ears to the ground. Stay curious, stay informed, and most importantly, stay engaged. Remember, the world of freight logistics is not just about moving goods from point A to point B. It's about connecting people, places, and possibilities. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the freight industry. Remember to subscribe, like, and share this video to keep the knowledge flowing. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep sharing. Because, in the end, we're all in this together.